How's it going, pond people? Toby Bell here. We're just finishing off a bucket list sort of pond for us. I'll flip you around and show you. For Ballarat Wildlife Park. It's their 40th year anniversary, so they got us into building them a brand new pond. I'll just quickly walk you down. This is basically the front entrance. Right at the front entrance. What do you think of that, Richard Bell?
Pond people, this is Ballarat Wildlife Park. The boys have been here for 5 days building a large pondless one, but we've added a pond. This is the main entrance coming into the park, so everyone that walks past is going to see this. This is probably number one for the wildlife park. There's quite a few others they're talking about doing, so